Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you whether Temu is legit and safe to use, plus why everything on Temu is so cheap. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any important info before you shop. Let's dive in and find out if Temu is worth your time. You might be wondering, is Temu safe to use? Temu is generally safe, though it holds a C plus rating with the Better Business Bureau and an average user rating of 1.5 out of 5 stars. Despite these ratings, users can shop safely by exercising basic online shopping precautions. It is recommended to use secure payment methods like PayPal, Google Pay, or credit card, which offer added buyer protection, and these methods safeguard your sensitive financial information and make it easier to get refunds in case something goes wrong. To minimize risk, avoid making large or expensive purchases on the platform. And if you're thinking, is Temu legit? Then yes, Temu is legitimate business. It is owned by PDD Holdings, a Chinese multinational that also owns the Chinese shopping platform Pinduoduo. In the United States, Temu is registered under the name Whalco and operates out of Boston. While Temu primarily sells product shipped from international suppliers, most of which are based in China, it is legally recognized and operates as a legitimate business in the US. Now you might be wondering about how does Temu work. Temu operates similarly to online shopping platforms like Amazon and eBay. Users can browse a wide variety of items and add them to their cart, provide shipping and payment details, and complete the purchase. Products are typically shipped from international sellers, which means shipping times can vary. Since many of Temu's items are sourced from China, delivery times may be longer than what users might expect from domestic platforms. Additionally, the Temu app has been criticized for being cultured with promotional pop ups, which can overwhelm new users. For buyers who prioritize supporting local business, Temu may not be the best choice, as the majority of its products are imported rather than made or sold by the local US vendors. And if you're thinking why Temu is so cheap, then let me tell you. Temu's extremely low prices are made possible by a tax loophole known as de minimis value. This provision allows international shipments valued under $800 to bypass tariffs and taxes. Because of this, Temu can offer low prices and free shipping on many items without the additional costs that come with customs and taxes. Temu can offer plenty of perks like low price points and free shipping with orders. Because of this diminished loophole, Temu packages do not have to go through extra inspections at customs, which allow Temu to send them directly to the buyer. And if we talk about the product quality on Temu, generally Temu's products are not known for high quality. Customers have filed over 19,000 complaints with the Better Business Bureau, and Temu's rating reflects a number of issues related to product quality, misleading listings, and non functional items. Many customers report receiving knockoffs or items that don't meet their expectations, particularly for tech products like headphones or keyboards. A common thing with Temu is you get what you pay for. Many of the items are inexpensive, but buyers should be cautious when purchasing higher priced goods. As the quality can be inconsistent, for better quality control, users might prefer buying from platforms like Amazon. Now let's talk about Temu's refund and return policy. Temu does offer a fairly comprehensive refund policy through its Temu Purchase Protection Program. This covers items that were not delivered, delivered late, damaged, or substantially different from what was ordered. Buyers are entitled to a full refund upon returning the product. Temu also provides customer service through their support page and a chatbot feature to handle complaints. However, many users report inconsistent experience with refunds. While some customers have successfully received refunds and others have encountered difficulties with customer service, which leaves a mixed impression of how well the policy is enforced. Now let's talk about Temu controversies and concerns. Temu has faced criticism over potential ties to forced labor in China. The Forced Labor Prevention Act prevents the import of goods made by the oppressed people in China. However, Temu has no apparent safeguard in place to ensure its products are ethically sourced. And Temu's parent company, PDD Holdings, also owns the China based platform Pinduoduo, which has been embroiled in controversy. In early 2023, Google flagged the Pinduoduo app for malware, raising concerns about the safety of the Temu's app, although no similar issues have been found with Temu. Moreover, Pinduoduo has a history of overworking employees, leading to several deaths due to overwork. while these issues pertain to Pinduoduo rather than Temu directly. Also, Temu has been transparent about the data it collects, stating in its privacy policy that it distributes user data to certain third parties, while the company claims not to sell data, and it has been involved in class action lawsuits over the handling of user information because there is no comprehensive federal laws regulating data policy in the US. And this is a common issue for many online platforms. Although Temu has mentioned efforts to manage its carbon footprint and has contributed to the planting of over 5 million trees in Africa, details about its sustainability policies are unclear. When users try to access Temu's sustainability policy on their website, they're often redirected to the main support page, making it difficult to verify these claims. And then, many Temu users have raised concerns about shopping delays or packages that never arrived. In some cases, the Temu customer service team has reportedly refused to issue refunds, leaving customers dissatisfied. Although Temu actively responds to complaints filed with Better Business Bureau, but many buyers remain unhappy with their customer service experience. And if you're wondering how you can shop safely on Temu, here's how you can do this. You can pay with a credit card or a third-party payment service. For added security, it is best to use credit card, PayPal, or other third-party payment method. These options provide better protection if something goes wrong, and credit card companies are more likely to issue refunds if a dispute arises. And also, don't forget to be cautious with expensive purchases. Given that the mixed product quality on Temu, avoid making large or high cost purchases on the platform. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.